Welcome back. In today's lecture, we are going to be doing conversion to base 10 exactly, because we have tackled the prerequisites to this course. So when it comes to conversion to base 10, what do we need to do? So in base 10, we want to do something like this. Don't mind me, I will explain this technical jargon. It's part of the things that you need to know. I'm so sorry. It's part of the things that you need to know how to do. This thing is called general expression for conversion to base 10. And I want to explain it one by one. You can see that this is first term, this is second term, to the term where we have power of 0. So the one that in the position 0 to the one that, like that. Let's assume that we are given, let me clear the board so that you can see what we want to do. Let me erase all links. And let us assume that we are given 2, 1, 2 in base 3. Are you getting me? 2, 1, 2 in base 3. Which is correct, okay? But if they say that 2, 1, 3 in base 3, that cannot be base 3 because we cannot find 3 inside something that is using base 3, okay? So, what do we need to do? This is our scale. Are you getting me? Which is the base. So, it's represented by letter B. Each of these is our digit, which is represented by letter D. Why their position? Okay, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, is represented by letter N. So the one in position 0 is this, the one in position, it is not just like that. So if I now take this template now and I want to apply it to this thing, it means that I will take each digit, multiply it by the power of the base. Are you getting me? So how do I mean? The digit is what? 2, which is in position 2. Multiplied by what? The base, which is the what? 3. And the position of that base is what? Is 2. Okay? So then if it is 2, the next one will be 2 minus 1, which will be 1. Are you getting me? Because the maximum number that we have is n, then the n minus 1 will be n minus 2 to n is equal to 0. So let us now add it. So the 1, okay, that's 1. Then we want to multiply it by the base. Then the power now is what? 1. Until we get to the one that is 0, that is plus. This one means until, okay, yeah, which is what? 2 multiplied by 3. But this time around, raised to power 0. Obviously, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1 times 2, this is equal to what? 2, yes. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1, so plus this is 3 multiplied by 1, that's equal to what? It's going to be 3. Why this one is 9, okay, multiplied by 2, that is 18. So if you look at everything here, this is equal to what? This is 23. We've now converted 2, 1, 2 in base 3 to 23, which is now in base 10. So this is exactly what they mean by you should take a number from any base to base 10. So this is the general expression, okay? But for some people, it may be very hard to figure out this. But what you should know is that you have to multiply every digit by the base, but that base is located in particular position. You must remember that. Then you add everything together. It's no more than that. That is how we do it. It is no more than that, okay? So let us see some example here. If you want to do this, what are you going to do? You know how to do this. You can do it. This is equal to what? Yes, 1 times 2. Plus what? 1 times 2. Plus what? 0 times 2. Plus what? Is 0 times 2. Plus what? 1 times 2. What am I 2? Plus what? So, sorry, 1 times 2. Plus at the last, 1 times what? 1 times 2. So this is what? 0, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. 5. Now, what do we need to do? This is 1 times 1 is 1 plus this is 2 times 1 is 2. Sorry. Okay, let me take my ink eraser and erase this so that we can see exactly what we need to write. Don't do that. So this is plus, okay. So 2 times 1 is 2, you know the reason. Then this one is what? Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Is 0. And what about this one now? I don't even, what is this? 2 raised to the power 4, that's 16. Yeah. That's 16. Why this one is going to be 32? So this is 32. So what are we doing here right now? So obviously, what we are having is something like 51. Yes, this is 51 in base 10. You know why? 32, yes, plus this. This is going to be 48 plus 2 plus 1. That is 51. So that's how to do that. You can see that they still follow the standard. Okay, so that is that for that. Okay, I think there's another one that we can try to do to lay out our hands on. This is this one. I'm not going to do this one. You will do it yourself. I have given you enough examples, so you are going to do this one yourself. Okay, so let us try this one. This number in base 16. So interesting. Okay, let us see. The first digit is what? 6. So multiply by what? 16. The next digit is what? The next digit is what? 1. Multiply by what? 16. The next digit is what? He cannot do he. Then this is where we need to interpret something. Any conversion that is power is more than 10, are you getting me? Then 10 will have certain value. 11 will have certain value. 12 will have a certain value. If you look at E here, its value should be 15. Yes. Am I right? Its value should be 14. If I'm not wrong, yes. Yes, its value should be 14. E is 14. Because 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is A. If we look at that, this is going to be multiplied by what? 16. Then we have A. A is 10. Then multiply by what? 16. But they have position. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this one is 1 multiplied by 10. This one is going to give us 10. This one here, our guy, this is 16 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 14. 16 multiplied by 10, obviously we are going to get something like 160. Yes. So where is the remaining 4? Where is the remaining 4? So what we need to do is to say that 14 multiplied by 16, so that should be 224. If I'm not wrong, that should be 224. 224, 224, 224. 224. Yes, this is 224. But this one is 16 times 16. Then times 1, that's 16 times 16, which is 256. Okay, 256. Why this one is 16 raised to power 3 multiplied by 6. So 16 raised to power 3, that's going to be 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 16, isn't it? Then multiply by 6. So we are having 24k 24,576. 576. So let us now add it. Let us now add everything together. 24,576, isn't it? Let us add it with 256. Let us now add it with 224. Let us add it with 10 and see what we're going to get. This is equal to 25,066. So this is the conversion to base 10 of this particular value. Are you getting me? So please, as a student, as a learner, maybe you need to attain some certificates to promote yourself in your working place. What is very important is that you may not understand a concept fully if you don't lay hand on it. And if there is any similar issue that you want us to discuss, why not? Put it in the comment section or snap it as image. Put it in some comment section. We are going to see it. I don't think maybe your comment section should allow upload of image. I don't know. So just put it in your comment section in any way. Like, follow, subscribe. Thank you for listening. ABP.